Hello traders, this is an Ethereum technical analysis video. In this video I will lay out the three most probable scenarios in Ethereum's price action in the following weeks and months ahead. The chart is based on the arithmetic scale, not the logarithmic scale, and I am presuming that the following weeks will include a bearish price action because usually in the summer liquidity is very low and most cryptos in the summer are in a downtrend, and the market wakes up again at the beginning of the next year. This is why there is a saying, sell in May and go away. Usually I'm afraid that it is correct. I have three possible scenarios for Ethereum. First scenario is bullish, meaning that Ethereum reaches the 1780 or 1790 level, and this is the juncture of the upward sloping trend line and the horizontal support, and Ethereum reacts to this level and we see a strong displacement up. For the bullish scenario to become valid, the following price action has to be Ethereum has to get above the previous higher high, which is at 2146. This is the bullish scenario, and in my opinion this scenario is not very likely. The second scenario, this scenario is the most likely in my opinion. This scenario presumes that we had an uptrend in 5 waves. Wave 1, 2 correction, 3 up, 4 correction, 5 up. And now we have a correction, an ABC correction. In this scenario, Ethereum loses the trend line and loses the horizontal support, but finds support at the 1730 or 1740 level because we have a nested demand zone, meaning a demand zone inside a demand zone, and I'm assuming that the downtrend will stop at this point, and Ethereum will make an attempt to reclaim the trend line in a B wave, because usually when an asset loses an upward sloping trend line, it makes at least one attempt at reclaiming it. So this is the first move, losing the trend line. The B wave is the attempt to reclaim the trend line, which in my opinion will not be successful. And after a rejection from the trend line, we will see a dump that will take a few weeks or even months to complete. And close to the end of the summer, the fall, in my opinion, Ethereum will be ready for a new uptrend, and also the Bitcoin halving will be in view by that time. And from then I expect a bullish price action for the rest of 2024 and maybe even 2025. The third scenario is likely, it is more likely than the bullish scenario in my opinion, but it is less likely than scenario number 2. In this scenario, I am assuming that what we have here in the uptrend is a head and shoulders, with the neckline being at 1780 or 1790, and once Ethereum loses the neckline after a retest, it will just dump straight ahead and correct most or all of the uptrend. This scenario is very brutal, and in my opinion it's too direct. I don't suppose that it will happen this way. That's all I have for you on Ethereum. I really hope this helped you. I would appreciate your feedback and comments, and I will see you in the next video.